Did you know that poor driving habits and neglected maintenance can reduce fuel economy by up to 30%? That's not a small number. That's almost 1/3 of your fuel budget disappearing every single month. Now here's what's interesting. Japanese automakers like Toyota and Honda don't just build fuel-efficient cars. They design them around disciplined driving techniques that most drivers never learn. In Japan, fuel saving is not a trick. It is a system. And today, we're going to break down the 11 Japanese methods that can realistically cut your fuel bill by up to 30% every month. Stick until the end, because only method number 5 can save you up to 10% fuel. Let's get started with the easiest method. Method number 11, the 5-second e-start. This is one of the most practical Japanese fuel-saving techniques. The 5-second acceleration rule simply means taking approximately 5 seconds to accelerate from a dead stop to normal city speed, around 40 to 50 kilometers per hour. Now the question is, why 5 seconds? Because rapid acceleration forces the engine into a rich fuel mixture phase. During aggressive takeoff, fuel injection increases sharply to produce quick torque. That extra fuel burns inefficiently, especially in stop-and-go traffic. According to the Department of Energy, this aggressive driving can lower your gas mileage by up to 40% in city traffic. By stretching acceleration smoothly over about 5 seconds, you keep throttle input moderate and allow the transmission to upshift earlier. Lower RPM during takeoff means fewer combustion cycles per second, and therefore less fuel consumed. This method doesn't mean driving slowly or blocking traffic. It means applying steady, progressive throttle instead of a sudden pedal press. When practiced correctly, you maintain traffic flow while significantly reducing fuel spikes. Method number 10, 10-second forward vision rule. In Japan, efficient driving begins with vision, not pedals. Professional drivers are trained to scan at least 10 seconds ahead instead of focusing only on the car directly in front of them. This method is called anticipation driving, and it dramatically reduces unnecessary acceleration and braking. When you look far ahead, you can predict traffic light changes, merging vehicles, slowing trucks, or congestion before it forces sudden reactions. Most drivers waste fuel because they react late. They accelerate hard, then brake hard. That cycle destroys fuel economy. By anticipating traffic flow, you start easing off the throttle earlier. This allows the vehicle to decelerate naturally using engine braking, which in modern fuel-injected cars often cuts fuel delivery completely during coasting in gear. Method number 9, coasting. The most expensive thing you can do in a car is the use of brakes, because every time you press that pedal, you are converting expensive kinetic energy into useless heat. Japanese driving schools emphasize predictive coasting. That is, a mindset where you treat the brake pedal as a last resort, rather than a primary tool for speed management. In the US, where suburban roads are often a series of stoplights, the average driver stays on the gas until the last possible second, effectively burning money only to throw it away moments later. By scanning the road 300 yards ahead and lifting your foot off the accelerator the moment you see a red light or slowing traffic, you utilize the car's natural momentum. This practice alone can save you between $0.30 and $0.50 per gallon in equivalent fuel costs by reducing the energy required to re-accelerate. It transforms the driving experience from a stressful series of stops into a fluid, energy-efficient glide that preserves both your fuel and your brake pads. Method number 8, Car Denari. Denari is the Japanese art of cleanness, and it applies perfectly to your trunk and back seat. Most Americans treat their cars like a mobile storage unit, hauling around gym bags, tools, and heavy gear that we don't actually need for the trip. The EPA notes that for every 100 pounds of extra weight in your car, Your fuel economy drops by about 1%. While that sounds small, it adds up over thousands of miles, especially in larger SUVs that already use a lot of gas. Additionally, if you have a roof rack or a cargo box that you are not using, you are creating a parachute that catches the wind and drags your car back. By clearing out the junk and removing those heavy racks, you make your car lighter and more aerodynamic, which lets the engine work much less. Method number 7. Precision tire pressure optimization. In Japan, tire pressure checks are treated as routine efficiency maintenance. In the US, most people wait until a warning light pops up on the dashboard, but by then, you've already wasted several tanks of gas. The NHTSA says that for every 1 psi your tires are low, you lose fuel efficiency because the soggy tire creates more friction against the road. If all 4 of your tires are just a little low, you could be losing 3 to 5% of your gas mileage without even knowing it. The Japanese method involves checking tire pressure every 2 weeks instead of every few months. Properly inflated tires reduce surface drag, improve straight-line stability, and help the vehicle glide more freely. It is one of the simplest habits that produces immediate results without spending a single dollar. Method number 6. Thermal discipline. During the summer, your air conditioner is the biggest parasite on your engine, and sometimes cut your fuel economy by 25%. The Japanese thermal discipline approach suggests being much more disciplined with how you cool your car down. Instead of getting in a hot car and cranking the AC to max immediately, Japanese drivers roll down the windows for the first 2 minutes to let the hot air escape naturally. Once the oven air is out, they roll the windows up and turn on the AC using the recirculate button, so the system doesn't have to work as hard to cool down outside air. Many Americans leave their AC on auto all year, but by using it only when you actually need it, you lift a huge weight off your engine. This thermal discipline technique ensures you stay cool without burning a hole in your pocket at the same time. Method number 5. Zero idle discipline. In Japan, unnecessary idling is strongly discouraged, and many modern vehicles are engineered around minimizing engine runtime. Hybrid systems, like those used in the Toyota Prius, demonstrate how powerful idle elimination can be. When your engine is running, but the car is not moving, you are burning fuel with zero return on distance. Idling for just 10 minutes daily can add up to several liters of wasted fuel every month. Modern engines do not require long warm-ups. 30 seconds is typically enough before driving gently. If you are waiting more than a minute in a safe situation, turning off the engine saves measurable fuel. Zero idle discipline alone can cut noticeable fuel waste from your monthly bill. Method number 4. Highway window rule. Japanese eco-drive experts are very careful about wind resistance, or drag, because the faster you go, the harder the air pushes against your car. There is a specific rule of thumb for American drivers. If you are going under 45 miles per hour, it's cheaper to turn off the AC and roll the windows down. However, once you get on the highway and go over 55 miles per hour, open windows act like a parachute, catching the wind and forcing your engine to work much harder to keep up. At high speeds, it is actually more fuel efficient to roll the windows up and use the air conditioner, because the car becomes slippery in the air. By understanding this balance between aerodynamics and engine load, you can maintain high speeds without the wind drag tax. Paying attention to this invisible wall of air is the final step in mastering your car's true efficiency. Method number 3. Preventive maintenance as a fuel-saving multiplier. In Japan, preventive maintenance is not optional. It's a fuel-saving strategy. Many drivers don't realize that even small mechanical inefficiencies silently increase fuel consumption every single day. A slightly dirty air filter restricts airflow, which forces the engine to inject more fuel to maintain the correct air-fuel ratio. Similarly, worn spark plugs weaken ignition strength, leading to incomplete combustion and wasted gasoline. Japanese automakers like Toyota and Honda design engines with tight tolerances and precision calibration. But that precision only works when maintenance is consistent. Even slightly delayed servicing can reduce fuel economy by 5 to 10% without you noticing immediately. When filters are clean, ignition is strong, oil is fresh, and sensors are calibrated, combustion becomes optimized. Every drop of fuel produces maximum energy output. That's why preventive maintenance doesn't just protect your engine, it multiplies the effectiveness of every other fuel-saving method you apply. Method number 2. Route optimization discipline. Most drivers focus only on distance, but Japanese fuel-efficient drivers focus on flow. A shorter route filled with traffic lights, congestion, and constant stop-and-go driving often burns more fuel than a slightly longer route with steady movement. Every time you accelerate from zero, the engine enters one of its most fuel-intensive phases. If your daily commute involves repeated full stops, your fuel consumption rises dramatically, even if the total kilometers driven are low. Route optimization means planning your trips to minimize harsh traffic patterns. Choosing roads with synchronized traffic lights, smoother traffic flow, and fewer sudden merges can drastically reduce fuel-wasting acceleration cycles. Method number 1. Consistent speed window strategy. Every engine has a sweet spot where it operates most efficiently. For most gasoline vehicles, that steady cruising is in between 60 to 90 kilometers per hour, depending on gearing. Driving significantly above this range dramatically increases aerodynamic drag, which rises exponentially with speed. For example, increasing speed from 90 km per hour to 110 km per hour can increase fuel consumption by 15 to 25%. Japanese highway drivers often prioritize steady, moderate speeds rather than maximum speed limits. They focus on maintaining flow rather than racing ahead. Holding a consistent, moderate speed keeps RPM stable and reduces throttle adjustments. Over long commutes, this single discipline can cut substantial fuel costs. The bottom line of the video is, Japanese efficiency philosophy is not about extreme measures. It is about small, precise habits repeated daily. When practiced consistently, these methods can realistically cut your monthly fuel expenses close to 30%, sometimes even more depending on your driving style. See you in the next video.